Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. It's a very pleasure to have you all here today. And first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. It's me, Tawfiq Islam Apurbo. I'm a student. I'm just 17 years old. I am finished my SSC exam and now I'm going to preparing myself for admission. And today my topic is about physical exercise. First of all, we should know that what is physical exercise. Physical exercise means the regular movement of the limbs of our body according to rules. It is essential to keep our body fit and mind sound. There are various kinds of physical exercise like walking, gymnastics, swimming, riding, racing, etc. All forms of exercise are not good for all men. If a weak man takes part in a football game or hockey, he will get tired. It does not good to him. Those who are strong and stout can take all form of exercise. On the other hand, those who are weak cannot take all form of exercise. And walking is very best exercise for all men. If a man is a very weak or cannot take hard exercise, he can take walking exercise at the beginner time. And the hard one exercise is gymnastics. Gymnastics is a very powerful exercise. Those who have strength on her body, he can take it easily. And I also like gymnastics very much. I also like playing football. Football is also very best metabolism exercise which we should take regularly. If a man want a better good or better health, good health, he should take a physical exercise. He can go ahead and his future without taking physical exercise regularly. It's a part of our life. It's benefited our life day by day. And also the physical exercise remove our stress, remove our illness from our body. And we all should take physical exercise regularly. Thank you for hearing me. If I do some mistake, please consider it.